Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel GyaanTech. Today I'm unboxing and fully testing the AULA F99, the compact 96/98% RGB mechanical keyboard that's tri-mode, hot-swappable and built for both work and gaming. Let's see if it's worth your money. Inside the box you get the keyboard, 2.4 GHz dongle usually stored in the foam or underside, a quick start guide, extra switches or keycaps in some bundles, a keycap puller, and a USB-C charging cable. This is a 96/98% style layout. It keeps the numpad and arrows in a more compact footprint. The case is mostly plastic but feels sturdy. The gasket mounting and layered foam give it a noticeably damped, less pingy sound. Now let's connect it three ways: wired USB-C, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz dongle. I'll show each step. I will show using dongle in simple way. You can also connect your way. For the 2.4 GHz dongle, find the tiny USB receiver, plug it into a USB port, and switch the keyboard to 2 for G mode, usually via an F and key combo or a physical switch. Check your manual. The 2.4 mode gives near wired latency and is perfect for gaming wirelessly. Keyboard and back side, you can find some keyboard battery capacity and serial number. Also, we'll find to size stand adjust according to your way. The gasket mount and layered foam make it quieter and more cushioned. It produces a satisfying thunk rather than a sharp ping. Switch feel depends on the switches in your unit. They're hot swappable so you can change them. In 2.4 GHz mode I have not seen noticeable latency while gaming. Wired is, of course, the lowest latency, and Bluetooth is fine for casual gaming but not ideal for competitive play. RGB lighting effects. Excellent value, tri-mode flexibility, comfortable gasket typing, hot swappable, full RGB. The AULA F99 is a standout budget mechanical keyboard that punches above its price. Perfect for users who want wireless flexibility, a numpad in a compact layout, and hot swap customization without blowing the budget. Remaining battery status. RGB lighting effects control using shortkey. RGB lighting effects control using this button and shortkey. Which keyboard are you using right now? Drop the name in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching this video.